Gold rush gone wrong. Explosive conflict in Mali. Mali, the land of gold, is now a battleground. A fierce clash between the Malian government and Barrick Gold, a mining titan, has rocked the nation. The government has forcefully seized control of gold production at a critical mine. This bold move has sent shockwaves through international markets, igniting a firestorm of uncertainty. At the core of this explosive conflict is a coveted treasure: gold. Mali stands as Africa's third-largest gold producer. Gold exports are the lifeblood of the nation's fragile economy. The government accuses Barrick Gold of dodging taxes. They charge the company with ruthless exploitation of their resources. In response, the Malian government has unveiled a stringent new mining code. They claim it's a move to ensure fairer distribution of the nation's mineral wealth. The government insists this is crucial for the people's welfare. Tensions are at a boiling point. The resolution of this standoff will have seismic implications for Mali and foreign investment across Africa. The world watches with bated breath to see if this conflict will be diffused or erupt into a full-blown crisis. Mali's mining code, a new era, or a costly mistake? The Malian government insists that the new mining code is a game-changer for the country's future. They argue it's essential for desperately needed infrastructure, healthcare, and education. These are areas where progress has been painfully slow. The government is adamant that increased revenue from gold mining is the key to addressing these urgent issues. This is our gold, and it's time we, the people of Mali, see the full benefit, declared the Malian Minister of Mines, underscoring the government's bold stance. They claim the old agreement with Barrick Gold was outrageously skewed in favor of the company. The new code slaps higher royalties and taxes on mining companies. It also demands a greater share of government ownership in mining projects. The government is convinced this will ensure a fairer distribution of the profits from Mali's natural resources. They see it as the only way to lift their nation out of poverty. However, critics warn the new code will scare off foreign investment. They fear it will create a volatile business environment. This uncertainty, they argue, will devastate the Malian economy in the long run. Barrick fights back. A battle for billions. Barrick Gold, a global mining giant, fiercely rejects the Malian government's explosive accusations. They assert that their operations in Mali have always been above board and transparent. Barrick insists they've poured billions into Mali, creating jobs and boosting the economy. This seizure is outrageous and baseless, declared a Barrick Gold spokesperson, emphasizing the company's staunch opposition. Barrick argues the government's actions blatantly breach existing agreements and international law. The company contends that the new mining code was imposed unilaterally and unjustly. They argue it was enacted without proper consultation or regard for their existing contracts. Barrick has threatened to unleash a legal storm against the Malian government. They are determined to safeguard their assets and investments. Barrick's aggressive stance underscores the immense stakes at play. The company is resolute in fighting for what they claim are their rightful profits. This showdown could drag on, with billions of dollars hanging in the balance. The stakes are sky high. A continent watches. The turmoil in Mali has sent shockwaves through the global mining industry. International investors are on edge, watching every move. They fear for the security of their investments in volatile regions, especially in Africa. If the conflict escalates, it could freeze foreign investment in its tracks. This would cripple economic growth and development in resource-rich but capital-starved nations. The resolution of this standoff will set a powerful precedent. It will redefine how governments and mining giants negotiate power and profit. The world waits to see if a compromise can be struck, one that balances the Malian government's quest for control and Barrick Gold's need for stability and profit.